Hello and welcome to DataView, the simple way to create a database on any Confluence page. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use DataView to share large or complex sets of data. Here we're viewing selected data from a data set of 50,000 cells. Now the data lives in an Excel file which is attached to the page. This is by far the easiest and most effective way to manage large sets of data unless you're going to build a sophisticated and expensive database. Excel is pretty advanced and pretty sophisticated already. All you need to do here is update the data and edit the Excel file in the normal way. And just to be clear, this is the file that we're using in this example, the 50,000 cells file. Now, once you've set up DataView on your Confluence page, there's a number of things you can do to search and to share the data that appears. Firstly, within the search box, you can search across the data. I've set this up to just search the year field. So if we type in a year that we'd like to search, we can see at the moment it goes from nearly 5,000 results to eventually down to less than 80 results. Now, once you've done that, once you've run your search, you can, of course, also filter by other categories. So in this case, we look at the size category and we'll reduce it to 14. And now we're down to 26 results. And then you can then sort your results according to any of the fields that are within your table. So in this case, if we look at the area, we could do that from small to large farms, or we can do it from large to small, so increasing or decreasing values. Now, once you have the data set that you're happy with, so your 26 results in this case, you can click on Export Results, and that will download an Excel file of the search results that you can then export to your desktop. You can share with others, you can work on offline. Now, the advantage of using DataView and this approach over other Confluence table macros is that you can use very large data sets, but still keep it very simple for your users to find and share the data that they want. This is especially useful for data sets that are larger or wider than a Confluence page, for example. You don't necessarily want every user to have to sift through entire data sets, but neither do you want to have to manage different tables with the same or related data. So with DataView, you can do all of that in one Excel file and share it on Confluence in whichever way you like. This gives your colleagues easy access without having to create multiple tables or complicated and expensive databases.